Okay, so this is number 20 from 12A. So we have a pentahedron is given. The bottom is 8 by 13. It's a rectangle, and lateral face are two isosceles triangle and isosceles trapezoid as given. So we want to find the volume of this figure. So like the given figure is not a prism, so which is why the first thing I'm going to try is making this prism. So let's take this one and connect with the base some points, so we can actually take a pyramid from the left side and remove it. And I can do the same thing from the right side. So even though it may not be same looking because of the way it's being given. So drawn. So basically, like we can draw, like take this on the right side pyramid, and then the left side, we can take those one as separate. And then there's a middle a nice prism. So we can just find those separately. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take find the lateral height for the triangle on the left. So this is 4 and this is 4. So if I use a Pythagorean, so you know you got 169 minus 16 on the radical. Okay, that will give us 153, which is not a nice number, but it's okay. So this is 153 square root, right? And what we want is the height of the pyramid on the left or on the right. And also we know this is 7, so which means this is 7, all this piece. And since the two pyramids are identical, that means this is going to be 3, and this is going to be 3 as well. Okay, so that is something. And if I want to take this right in the middle, I will get a altitude from the top to right in the middle of that. So when I do this, so you know this angle right here is 90 degrees. Since this is 3, that means this is 3 over 2. So like I can just do 3 over 2, right? Let me double check. That's going to be, actually, no. I'll take not this one. The height will be drawn to this one, not in the middle, because that wasn't right, like pyramid. So since we are taking the actual right prism in the middle, so that means this angle right here will be 90 degrees. So that means this is 3. So then if I use a Pythagorean in this right triangle, the height of that pyramid will be just square root of 153 will be square minus square of 3, which is 9. And then we take the square root of 144, which is 12. Okay, this is cool. So we have this is 12. And then that means I can actually show down the other side as well. If I drop this, that's also 12. Okay, so now we can find the area of volume of a pyramid like by taking 1/3 of the base times height, right? So with that in mind, so the base area right here, let me write this 1/3 is 3 times 8, and then the height is 12. But this is the volume of the one on the left, but we have 2 copies of this because on the right as well. Plus, there is the prism in the middle, and then the base is this triangle, and height is 7. So we can just take the area of the base like 12 times the 8. That's the product of the height and base of the triangle. That's going to be divided by 2 to get the area of the triangle, multiplied by the height, which is 7. Okay, if I do simplify this one, I should be getting my answer. So cancel this. So you got 2 times 8 is 8 times is like and 8 times 12 is 96. So 96 times 2, 192. And then you got, let's say, cancel this. So you got 48 times 7. Maybe I should have done this 198. So like we have 12, and I will take this 4 times 2. That's going to be 48. 2 times 2 is 4. So that should be like 4 times 48 plus 48 times 7. So you got like 11 times 48. So in that case, you can just multiply 11 by 48. I think that should be 528. So you can easily do it like this if you want to. So you got 2 and then 5. Okay, so that was interesting, but I think this was a cool question. So I hope that makes sense as well. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.